This is the train that takes you straight from Helsinki Airport to the city center, no transfer. Today, we are taking this train from Helsinki Vantaa International Airport Station to Helsinki Central Railway Station. And I'm going to walk you through the whole experience step by step. I'll show you exactly how to find the train platform after you land, how to buy a ticket from a vending machine, how much it costs, how long the journey takes, what it's like on board, the train schedule, plus I share some tips and lessons we learned from our trip to make your first trip to Finland smoother and easier. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take this train when you visit Helsinki, Finland. It's definitely the best and cheapest way to reach Helsinki city center. This video is not sponsored or affiliated. If you find it useful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel to help me continue to create more videos like this. I really appreciate it. Now let's begin right from the moment you step off the plane at Helsinki Airport, officially known as Helsinki Vantaa International Airport. This is Finland's main international gateway. It's modern, super clean, and the best part, there's just one terminal for all flights. That's right, no confusing terminal changes, no shuttle buses. Everything is under one roof, which makes navigating the airport incredibly easy. Depending on your airline and arrival gate, it might take a few minutes to walk to passport control. In our case, we flew with Finnair from Tokyo to Helsinki, and our gate was a bit of a walk, but not too long. And honestly, it was kind of nice to get to explore the beautifully designed airport, especially early in the morning when it was calm and quiet. After clearing passport control and picking up your luggage, you'll arrive at the main arrivals hall. Right in the center, there's a lovely little indoor garden with natural light, and around it, you'll find cafes, restaurants, fast food options, shops, and restrooms. If you land early like we did, keep in mind that some shops might not be open yet. But don't worry, there are a few places which are always open, like this 24-hour mini market and Subway, which definitely came in handy for us after a long flight. We picked up this Mexican sandwich at Subway and it was so delicious. Now on this same floor, you'll find guidance signs for taxis and buses too. In case you take a taxi to the city center, the cost is around 37 euros. Now to get to the train, just follow the signs that say railway station. They are big and clearly marked in English. It's super easy to follow. The train station is inside the same building as the arrivals hall. It's on the basement level. Everything is indoors, so no need to step outside. You can take the escalator or elevator to go down to the platform. The escalator has a really unique and impressive design with a giant screen on the wall. I think they call it the cultural stage, where they project opera and ballet performances with all the colors, the lighting, and the music. It was hands down the coolest airport escalator I ever experienced. I really love taking this escalator, but if you got a lot of luggage, the elevator is your best friend. It might be a little faster than taking the escalator, and you get a different view of the escalator, which was also amazing. And the whole walk from the arrivals hall to the platform takes around 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your pace. Now let's talk trains. You've got two options, the I train and the P train. Both go from Helsinki Airport to Helsinki Central Railway Station, and both cost exactly the same. The only difference is that they travel in opposite directions around the loop. The I train runs clockwise and the P train runs counterclockwise. They run every 10 to 15 minutes during peak hours and about every 30 minutes during off-peak hours. Time-wise, The I train takes about 28 minutes to reach Helsinki Central Railway Station, and the P train takes around 32 minutes. So yeah, the I train is a few minutes faster, but honestly it doesn't make a big difference. So just hop on the first one that arrives and both take you straight to the city center, quick and easy. As for the train schedule, the first train leaves around 5 a.m. and the last train is usually around midnight. But make sure to double check the schedule, especially if you're landing super early or late. Now let's talk tickets. The price of the train tickets in Finland is based on a zone system. That means your fare depends on which zones your journey starts and ends in. For this route from Helsinki Airport to Helsinki Central Railway Station, because the airport is in Zone C and Helsinki Central Railway Station is in Zone A, you need an ABC zone ticket. There are 3 easy ways to buy your ticket. 1. The HSL mobile app. 2. At sales points like our kioski convenience stores, but you may have to pay a service fee if you buy tickets there. And 3. At ticket vending machines, which are located right by the train platforms. Either way is fine, but you must buy your ticket before boarding. There are no ticket machines on the train itself, and if you get caught without a valid ticket, you could be fined 100 euros. Now I'm gonna show you exactly how to buy a ticket from one of the vending machines. It's very simple and takes less than a minute. After changing the menu to English, you can select Helsinki City Center ABC right on the top left corner or select Buy a single ticket. Then select Zone ABC. Next, enter the number of adults and children from 7 to 17 years old and select Continue to Payment. Here you can select how you want to pay with credit card, HSL card, or cash. Some ticket machines accept coins and bills of 5, 10, 20, and 50 euros. After inserting money to pay, get your ticket and your change if any. An ABC zone ticket is €4.40 for an adult. Kids from 7 to 17 get a 50% discount, so €2.20 for a child ticket, and children under 7 ride for free. After you got your ticket, you can board the train. You don't have to show the ticket to anyone and don't have to validate the ticket or anything, but make sure you keep it until you reach your final destination. If you buy a single ABC ticket from a vending machine, the ticket is valid for 90 minutes from the moment you purchased it, and the expiry time is printed on the ticket. On the train, there's no assigned seating, so you can sit anywhere. There's no dedicated luggage area. Most travelers just keep their bags next to them or use the overhead shelves for smaller items. The seating area is very spacious, so even if you've got a large suitcase, it's not a problem. There's at least one toilet on board, but not in every car. So if you need it, you might have to walk through a few carriages. There's no Wi-Fi on the train, but you will find charging outlets for your phone. They are usually hidden underneath the little tables by the window seats, so you might have to look around, but they are definitely there. Also, each train has a priority seating area for travelers with disabilities, and they also allow to bring bicycles on board, which was really cool. There are several monitors set up at different places, showing the whole journey with station names and time, which was really easy to understand and extremely helpful. After about 30 minutes, you'll arrive at Helsinki Central Railway Station, which is right in the middle of everything. This station isn't just a transport hub, it's a bit of a landmark. The building itself is iconic with its Art Deco architecture. From here, you're well connected to the rest of the city. You can hop on the metro, a tram, bus, or even walk to nearby hotels, restaurants, and attractions. Many popular attractions are within walking distance from Helsinki Central Railway Station, so staying close to the station is really convenient to get around and explore the city. Now getting from Helsinki Central Railway Station back to Helsinki Airport is also easy. You just reverse the journey. Once you get to Helsinki Central Railway Station, check the time of the train to the airport on the large screen. It's very easy to notice with a little aircraft icon next to the name of the train. You can buy a ticket to the airport from one of the vending machines right on the platform. There are some machines right outside the station building in front of the train tracks. There's also a machine at the further end of the station building in front of track 1 to 4. Just make sure you get a ticket before boarding. Same price, same process, same ease. Now here are some quick tips and lessons we've learned on our trip to Finland. There are drinkable water refill in the airport upon arrival and after check-in securities. If you bring your own bottle or a tumbler, you can get water there and save some money. The airport trains usually arrive at Helsinki Central Railway Station on a track at the further end of the station and out in an unroofed open area. So having an umbrella or a raincoat on rainy days may save you from getting wet. There are different kinds of train ticket vending machines. Some only take coins, not notes. Some take both coins and notes, but all of them take credit cards. And some of them only take credit cards, especially those at smaller stations. So having a credit card made everything so convenient. I paid with a credit card in my Apple Wallet and it made our trip so smooth and easy every time. We found that there was no need to have cash when traveling in Finland. Credit cards are accepted everywhere at restaurants, cafes, shops, on taxis, on buses. Everything was so smooth with cashless payments. It would be easier to note down some of the key stations' names in Finnish before the trip to get yourself familiar with them when you are in the country. For example, the airport is lentoasema, the railway station is rautatieasema, or in case you plan to do a day trip from Helsinki to Tallinn, Estonia, West Terminal or Länsi Terminaali is the station to get to. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to get from Helsinki Airport to Helsinki Central Railway Station by train and how to get back to the airport. Simple and affordable. Honestly, one of the best airport-to-city transfers I've done in Europe. What do you think about this train? Let me know in the comment section below. Information in this video might be updated regularly, so I highly recommend you check out official websites of the train operator and the airport for the latest updates before your trip. I leave all the links in the description below this video. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with any of them. This is my personal experience and I hope it could be of some help to you. Please leave a like on the video if you did enjoy it. It really helps me out and helps out the channel tremendously. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning, safe travels. Until next time, take care and have a nice day.